Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting Imovie permission to your media and microphone. This lets you import clips and record voiceover. Once done, tap the plus icon and choose Movie to create a timeline. Import video from photos or files and drag clips into the order you want. Make sure to pinch to zoom the timeline for precise placement. You're doing the first actionable work now. Arrange clips, set clip order, and prepare to cut. These steps set the editing rhythm for everything that follows. Now you refine the footage. Tap a clip to reveal trim handles and split at playhead for quick cuts. Once you split, delete or reorder segments to shape the story. Use the transitions button between clips for smooth flow and add titles from the titles menu to label sections. Make sure to apply filters sparingly so visuals stay consistent. Adjust clip speed for slow motion or time-lapse effects. Finally, tap the audio waveform to reduce noise, add music, or record a clear voiceover to explain what viewers need to know. Finish by tapping Done and previewing the full movie to confirm pacing and audio balance. Once satisfied, tap the Share button to export, select resolution and save to photos or send via AirDrop or files. Make sure to name the file and pick the right format for your platform. If sharing to social apps, use the app options in the share sheet to post directly. Troubleshooting tip: if export fails, check available storage, restart the iPad, and try again at a lower resolution. That often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.